Yeah, some kind of messing with that one a little bit. Another one of them little ones. See if he's gonna get serious. There he goes. He's thinking about getting serious about it. Sure, it's just a little old dinky right there. He's messing with it. Could be a little turtle. It's not big enough to really pull the line, it don't look like. We'll let him mess with it for a minute. You never know, could be a big flathead's got it and sitting there with it. Something's got it. Probably a little one. I'm gonna let him take it for a second. Good Lord, you see that? That was a big fish, whatever that was right there. About tempted to jerk on this thing. Something's definitely got it right there. It's gotta be a little bitty one or a little turtle or something. Yeah, I'm gonna see what's going on with it. Got him. It is a fish after all. I don't think there's much size to him, but I got him though. I can get this rod to reel. It's actually a pretty decent fish right there, maybe. Yeah, it's a decent fish. That's probably a flathead sitting there with it the whole time. We got him though. See what we got here. Got him on 15-pound test. Decent fish. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's a decent little fish. I think that's a flathead. See what we got right here. Yeah, that's a little flathead. He ain't as big as that one I got last night, but obviously he ain't nowhere near that big. We got him though. Look at that beautiful tail. Look at that tail. That black mark on that tail, boy. He's a beauty. Get him up here in that line a little bit. Beautiful flathead right there. Look at that. Beautiful, pretty little booger. Hefty little thing. Probably about a 6 or 7 pounds right there. Look at that beautiful tail. Uh-oh, got one right here. Look at this right here. Got him. Oh, that's a good one. That's a decent fish right here. Trying to get that hook out of that one flathead. We got another one on here. I don't know if this is going to be a flathead or not. Definitely a decent fish. I don't know if I'm going to have enough battery power here. Decent fish. Oh, look at that, folks. It's not a monster, but look at him pulling that drag. There's a tree over there. Don't want him to get in that tree. Now, we're on 8-pound test here, so I got to go easy with him. I'd like to get him up here, away from that tree over there. Decent fish. Get him in here and get this flathead unhooked and get back out there. Good Lord. Decent channel cat right here. Be easy with him. He ain't ready to go yet. Come on, little buddy. Come on. Is that a channel or a blue right there? Not sure. He don't want to go though. He's going to have to get ready to go here. Come on, little buddy. Little blue. I believe that's a blue. Out in the same boat I was in last night. Or decent blue cat. I guess that's a blue. Oh boy. Oh, good one. Let's get him turned loose right here. There we go. There you go, Mr. Big Blue. There he goes. Whew. If he finds his bearing back out of there, he'll get out of there in a minute. Here he goes. Back out. Go. There. Beautiful flathead. Look at that tail on that thing. Gorgeous little flathead. Look at that big black mark on his tail. Hey, buddy. We'll see you next time. Take it easy now. Be seeing you on that next one. There you go. See if he can get back out of there. There he goes.